national recreational area. The one ahead, this is Lake Mead. This is one of the largest lakes in US. It is a man-made lake for the Colorado River, I think, against which is the Hoover Dam is constructed. We're going to Hoover Dam. It's, I think, probably the largest dam in the US. And there's a huge hydroelectric power plant as well. Look at these mountains. This is Red Rock Mountains everywhere. The weather is too dry though. We are at the Hoover Dam, one of the largest dams in the United States. This
right, and consider the, whatever inconvenience or issues
some
that it would cause
information.
others. But sometimes
They considered like a lot of designs. It took almost 2 years for them to come up with the most favorable design for the dam. Sachin. Yeah, I just have to climb up all the way up to the top to get. This is the scenic viewpoint of the dam. So you get, and there's a visitor center. You can go further in, driving up. So this is a little behind itself. You get to see the bridge from a higher elevation. So just climbing up. Oh, that's nice. There are two pathways. One which takes the steps, and one which is more accessible, more of a pavement way. Let's take the steps. This is the bridge, and that's the Hoover Dam. Wow, there you go. There at the distance, you can see the Hoover Dam, and we're walking over a bridge which is so many hundred feet above. This is the bridge we're walking on, connecting the two mountains. It's beautiful. It's really an architectural marvel. Wow, look at the size of the bridge. Look at the size of the dam. How the 360 view. That's one of the largest dams in the US. Constructed against the Colorado River. Two sides have been used from the mountains and building a bridge to keep the water. It's amazing. Here we can see the water coming out. Goes to the gate. So beautiful. This is called Mike O'Callaghan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. The project was completed on the original $240 million budget. The project's funding reflected the federal and the state partnership necessary to complete the project. That's what it says there. This is the other end of the Hoover Dam. There's a lot of work still in progress, and this is the Arizona state border. And I'm just crossing the state of Nevada into Arizona. It's a funny way. And coming back to Nevada. It's that easy. It's a car, I shouldn't park there. Let's go back. That's beautiful Hoover Dam. It's standing at 726 meter high.
Wow, that bridge took 10 years to design and build. It cost
Expands towards the base. It reaches 660 feet, nearly as thick as it is tall. She weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons.
6.6 million tons. Oh my god, that's the weight of the bridge.
Behind the dam, you can see Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States.
The Lake Mead.
It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail dam.
This is the observation deck.
But in reality, that's the Colorado River.
It's built across the Colorado River.
Water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing on downstream. The water comes out of the turbines at an average temperature of 53 to 55 degrees. At the base, you see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides
Also, the hydroelectric plant.
The dam was built in blocks containing pipes, and ice-cold water was pumped through for rapid cooling. Irrigation tunnels were closed off when 1945. Lake Mead began to fill, eventually extending 110 miles up the Colorado River. The two outer tunnels in the canyon walls became the massive spillways. They can move excess water around the dam to protect the flooding.
This is the observation deck. Hoover Dam. Lake Mead National Recreational Area. Lake Mead was formed after the construction of the Hoover Dam. So once they constructed
Turn
the
left
dam,
onto Lakeshore Road.
okay. Once they constructed the dam to the Colorado River, whatever the water left behind,
Head
they could
northeast
store.
on Lakeshore Road toward historic railroad trail access.
This is Lake Mead National Recreation Area. This giant lake. I think this is the largest man-made lake in the United States. This lake formed after the construction of the Hoover Dam against the Colorado River. This is brilliant. too gigantic. It's beautiful. There's a visitor center here as well. And it's the Black Canyon Mountains. They have different color. I think there are a lot of minerals in it of different colors. It's beautiful. A must visit spot on the way to Hoover Dam. Let's see. I think I'll drive all the way till the lake as much as possible. See what is there over there. So close. Gorgeous Colorado River. This is as close as we can get to Lake Mead, and there are some wildflowers here. So beautiful. This is spring, so you can see never-ending landscape of mountains and the lovely Lake Mead formation of the Colorado River and the endless roads. There it is, the car which took us here, which brought us here. So many of these wildflowers are here. It's amazing. It's Black Canyons. Blue skies. Yeah, I wish I could camp here and stay for a week or something. But yeah, have to get back. It's beautiful. The closer I'm getting to it, it feels so like out of this planet views. Those dark color mountains and this bright blue color lake. It's amazing. Wow, I think this is as close as we can get. There you go. That's as far as we could drive, and now I'm going till the edge, of course. As always.